Due to a horrific car accident, I ended up losing a few of my teeth on both sides and also cracking and gaining a space in between my teeth, which caused me to have self-confidence issues. And after going to multiple dentist appointments, I realized $50,000 is just not the way to go at this moment. So after seeing the pop-on veneers, I decided to go forth and order one. The whole process is painless and is easy. I ordered my veneers. Within 2 days, I got the at-home kit to take the molding of my teeth. I mailed it back to pop-on, and in 8 days, they were at my front door. I was a little scared to find out how they were gonna look. They're very simple. And I love them. I can actually eat with them. I'm a big coffee drinker. It doesn't get in the way. And I love the whole experience. And I recommend them to anyone. Just do it.